To make your PowerPoint presentation more visually appealing, it is essential to control how text and images appear on your slides. Rather than having everything show up at once, you can create a more professional look by setting up animation effects so that elements appear one by one. In this demonstration, let's begin by selecting the text you want to animate. For instance, start with the title text box. After selecting it, go to the Animations tab in the toolbar. This is where you can apply various animation effects to the selected content. As soon as you choose an animation, the effect will be previewed immediately. Repeat this process for the other text sections on the slide. You can apply different effects or keep the same animation style depending on the message you want to convey. Adding animation step by step allows your content to appear in a sequence, which guides your audience's attention during the presentation. Next, if your slide contains images, you can also apply animations to them using the same Animations tab. Select the image, choose an effect, and customize the timing or style as needed. You will notice how these changes can significantly improve the flow of your presentation. The slide elements will now appear gradually instead of all at once. Here is a simple example where you can observe the applied animation in action. Text and images enter the slide smoothly in the order you've set, making the whole slide look more polished and engaging. By mastering animation settings for individual elements, you can enhance the visual quality of your presentation and make your message clearer. This technique helps control the pace of your delivery and ensures your audience focuses on each part at the right time.